Jody Swann. I'm the head custodian for the Penn Yan Central School District.
And I'm Ashley Doyle, and I'm the school business official for Penn Yan.
West Fire services here testing the system. So when they got to the auditorium, discovered there's two detectors that he never realized was there. Well, he decided to trip it to see maybe he missed them before, and when he did that, he took a shower. It basically flooded our auditorium.
I was in standing water in our auditorium.
You know, what was your initial feeling about us as we came out and did our walkthrough?
You assessed our equipment needs, and that I felt very comfortable at the level of knowledge of every single piece that was there. It was a super quick response. There was very open communication. Your team worked fabulously with all of them.
The team was wonderful, as Ashley was saying. They were very, very professional when they're in hallways. I believe his name was Jeff. He was fantastic. From the day he walked in, looked at our stuff, explained stuff to Ashley and I both. So the communication with Jeff was really good.
I know we talked about the AV equipment, and you just mentioned the curtains, but were you pleased with how the curtains came out?
Yeah, they did a great job on cleaning the curtains. Actually, that's the first time we've had the curtains cleaned in probably close to, I'm going to say about 14 years the curtains have been there. And they did a fantastic job.
Thank you. And Ashley, my last question really is just, would you recommend Renewal?
Absolutely. And there was such care that was given to each individual item. We ended up getting what we needed in the end.
And Jody, I guess just same question as we wrap up. Would you feel comfortable, recommending Renewal?
Yep, sure I would. Very reliable. And kept in contact with me at all times. And Jeff was fantastic, and also the helpers he had with him were just as good as Jeff was. I would recommend him to anyone.